Welcome back to applelnsider, the place where we break down the latest smartphones with honest insights and real user-focused details. Today we're diving into the Vivo V23 Pro, a device that has been making waves not only for its stylish design but also for its unique features that try to balance beauty and performance in a single package. If you've been wondering whether this phone is worth your attention, you're in the right place. Let's get started and look at every aspect that makes the Vivo V23 Pro stand out in today's crowded smartphone market. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Vivo V23 Pro is one of those devices that instantly grabs your attention the moment you take it out of the box. It's slim, sleek, and elegant, with a curved glass back that feels premium in hand. One of the most unique features of this phone is its color-changing rear panel. Under UV light or sunlight, the glass shifts shades, creating a playful yet classy vibe that no other phone in this price range really offers. The build is lightweight but sturdy, giving you confidence without the bulk, and the curved edges make it sit comfortably in the palm. Vivo has paid great attention to small details, from the polished aluminum frame to the precise cutouts for speakers and ports. This phone doesn't just feel modern, it feels like a fashion accessory in itself, showing how design can merge style with technology. Number 2. The display. Vivo has gone with a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus Amoled panel that curves at the edges, giving the phone an immersive look with very thin bezels. The panel supports a 90 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and a better gaming and browsing experience compared to standard displays. With HDR10+ support, colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and brightness levels are high enough to handle direct sunlight without straining your eyes. Watching videos, whether on YouTube or Netflix, feels cinematic thanks to the punchy contrast and wide color accuracy. The curved AMOLED design also enhances the premium look, although it can sometimes cause accidental touches. Still, the overall experience is immersive enough to put the display in the premium category. For day-to-day tasks, reading, social media browsing, or gaming, the screen is sharp, smooth, and easy on the eyes. Number 3. Performance. Under the hood, the Vivo V23 Pro packs a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and fast UFS 3.1 storage. This combination delivers fluid multitasking, quick app launches, and smooth navigation across the system. For casual users, performance feels instant and reliable, with no lags when switching between apps, browsing, or using multiple social media platforms at once. For gamers, the phone is equally capable. Titles like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, and Asphalt 9 run with high graphics settings and minimal frame drops. Vivo has also included extended RAM technology, which borrows some storage to act as extra memory when needed, ensuring that even heavier workloads don't slow the phone down. The chipset is power efficient as well, managing performance without generating excessive heat, making it a solid choice for anyone who values both power and stability in their smartphone. Number 4. The camera. Vivo has built a strong reputation for its camera-focused smartphones, and the V23 Pro continues the tradition with a versatile setup. On the back, you get a triple-lens system led by a 108-megapixel main camera, supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The main camera captures detailed, crisp photos with excellent dynamic range. Even in low light, the large sensor and advanced algorithms manage to preserve detail and reduce noise. The ultra-wide camera is great for landscapes and group shots, while the macro lens, though basic, lets you explore close-up photography. On the front, the phone offers something rare: dual selfie cameras. The 50-megapixel main front lens delivers outstanding clarity for selfies, while the 8-megapixel wide-angle lens is perfect for group selfies or capturing more of the background. Vivo has also included features like dual-tone spotlight LEDs for night selfies, which dramatically improve low-light results. Video recording is stable and smooth, with 4K support for both front and rear cameras, making this phone appealing to vloggers and content creators who want versatility in one device. Number 5. Battery life. The Vivo V23 Pro comes with a 4,300 mAh battery, which may not sound huge on paper, but thanks to the efficient Dimensity 1200 chipset and AMOLED display optimization, it comfortably lasts a full day of moderate to heavy use. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or streaming videos, the phone manages power intelligently without draining too quickly. For lighter users, it can stretch into the second day before needing a recharge. And when it's time to charge, Vivo's 44W fast charging technology kicks in, powering the device from 0 to around 60% in just half an hour. This means even short charging breaks are enough to keep you going, removing the anxiety of running out of battery during the day. While it doesn't support wireless charging, the fast wired charging speeds make up for it, ensuring you're always ready to move. Number 6. Software and features. Running on FunTouch OS 12, based on Android 12, the Vivo V23 Pro offers a mix of customization, fluidity, and practicality. The interface feels clean and modern, with options to personalize themes, icons, and gestures. Vivo has also added useful tools like Ultra Game Mode, which enhances performance and blocks distractions while gaming, and Multi-Turbo 5.0, which optimizes system resources for better performance. The phone comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner that is fast and reliable, along with Face Unlock that works well in most conditions. While some users may find FunTouch OS a little heavy compared to stock Android, it offers plenty of features that enhance usability. Regular software updates also keep things secure and ensure long-term reliability, which is important for users who want their device to stay relevant over time. Number 7. Value for money. This is where things get interesting. The Vivo V23 Pro positions itself as a premium mid-range smartphone, and for the price, it offers a strong balance of design, display, performance, and camera capabilities. Its unique features like the color-changing back panel, dual front cameras with spotlight LEDs, and premium curved AMOLED display give it an edge over competitors in the same segment. While it may not have flagship-level performance or the biggest battery in the market, it delivers a lifestyle-focused package that appeals to users who value aesthetics, photography, and reliable day-to-day performance. In terms of value, it offers enough standout features to justify its price tag, making it a compelling option for anyone looking for a stylish yet powerful smartphone. And that brings us to the conclusion. The Vivo V23 Pro is not just another mid-range phone, it's a statement piece. Vivo has crafted a device that balances looks with practicality, ensuring it feels as good in the hand as it performs in daily use. From its innovative color-changing back to its dual selfie camera setup, the phone has been designed to stand out in a world where most smartphones look and feel the same. Its AMOLED display is immersive, its performance is solid, and its battery life is dependable enough to carry you through a busy day. Add to that the smooth software experience and fast charging, and you get a phone that ticks most of the right boxes. It may not be perfect, it skips wireless charging and could have offered a higher refresh rate, but for its category, it delivers more than enough to impress. At applelnsider, we believe this is a device that doesn't just blend into your routine but adds a touch of excitement and elegance to it. If you're looking for a smartphone that's stylish, functional, and different from the crowd, the Vivo V23 Pro deserves to be on your shortlist.